Ancient history. Queen Amanirenas, the blind warrior queen of Nubia in the 1st century BC, Rome expanded across the world, conquering lands with unstoppable force. But when they marched into Nubia, in modern-day Sudan, they met a queen unlike any other. Her name was Amanirenas, a Kandake, a warrior queen of Kush. She was fierce, skilled in battle, and unafraid of Rome's power. When Roman forces occupied Nubian land, Amanirenas led her armies in direct attack. She captured Roman forts, defeated legions, and even took statues of Emperor Augustus, carrying them back to Nubia as trophies. In one battle, Amanirenas lost an eye, but even half-blind, she continued to fight. Her bravery became legend, and Rome itself was forced into negotiation. The result, a rare peace treaty, with Nubia retaining its freedom and dignity. Queen Amanirenas stood as proof that even the might of Rome could be challenged by a determined African queen. Her story is a lesson. True strength is not the absence of wounds, but the will to fight on despite them. Amanirenas turned resistance into legacy, a legacy that still shines in African history.